Hello, today we will guide you through how to find ETFs on Trading 212. In the next couple of minutes, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can quickly locate exchange-traded funds inside the platform. First, open Trading 212 in your web browser or launch the mobile app. Give the page a moment to load so everything appears correctly. The layout can look slightly different across devices, but the process is the same. Next, look for the search bar. It's usually at the top of the screen and may show a magnifying glass icon or the word search. This bar is your shortcut to every instrument available on Trading 212, including ETFs. Click or tap the search area to activate it. You should see the keyboard appear and a blinking cursor in the field. If your device suggests previous searches, don't worry. You can ignore those for now. Now type the word ETFs. You don't need capital letters, the search will understand it either way. As you type, Trading 212 will begin showing relevant results. This can include a general ETFs category, as well as individual funds with their tickers and exchanges. If nothing appears right away, check your connection and make sure there are no extra spaces in the search. From the suggestions that appear, choose the option labeled ETFs. Selecting this will take you to a broader list focused on exchange-traded funds rather than a single instrument. You'll typically see each fund's name, ticker symbol, market, and the latest price information at a glance. Scrolling through this list helps you discover funds that track different indices, sectors, or themes. At this stage, spend a moment reading the short summaries that appear next to each result. Not every name that includes the letters ETF is necessarily the category you want, so confirming that you're viewing an actual exchange-traded fund is a good habit. If you're comparing choices, look for familiar index names in the title and note the exchange to be sure it matches the market you prefer to use. That's all there is to finding ETFs on Trading 212. Open the platform, go to Search, enter ETFs, and select the ETFs result to browse the full list. Take your time exploring the options you see on screen, and remember that markets involve risk. This walkthrough is for education only. When you're ready, you can repeat this same search anytime to quickly locate ETFs again.